Hi everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a channel banner. So first, you're going to go into Ibis Paint and make one, or you can use any different art app, but it's going to have to be the scale of 2048 and 1152. Okay, so then you're going to save that. So I'm just going to save that. Actually, not that. But so then you're going to search up youtubestudio.com and then click right there. And then you're going to click that little magic wand right there. And then when you click that magic wand, you click branding. And then you click banner image. So you click photo library and then click your photo. And then you click use and then done. And then you click publish, but I forgot to add that. And there you go. Bye.